Good evening, I'm Joe Holden. A wind advisory just expired for our area. That's about the only good news. Now temperatures are falling. Take a live look at Bethlehem, Northampton County. Things are much quieter now, but earlier, well, some areas had wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. This is video from Allentown this afternoon. A snow squall blew through the city's downtown area, creating almost whiteout conditions. State College and Center County also got a taste of snow. Howling winds blew through the town there. In Montgomery County, strong winds knocked down a power pole. Eyewitness News on West High Street in Pottstown. Nobody was hurt here. Crews worked quickly to repair the damage and to restore power. In Philadelphia's West Oak Lane neighborhood, the winds knocked down trees and some power lines at 15th and Haynes. Crews worked this afternoon to get things back in order there.